Hey peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 5.5 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. And this question deals with obtaining information and stats from a given paragraph. Okay, it says the following information relating to the Democratic Republic of Congo was accessed from a website. So the Democratic Republic of Congo, the DRC, is the poorest country in Africa and the second poorest country in the world, with almost 88% of the population living on less than $1.25 a day. With a population of 65.7 million people, 88% is an unnerving statistic. Children are severely malnourished. Rates have reached 30% in certain areas, and many died due to these adverse conditions. In fact, children account for almost 50% of the deaths in the country. It's very sad. But onto the questions. They're now asking, determine the number of people in the DRC that are living on less than $1.25 per day. Write this number out in full without the word million. So they've told us that it's 88% of the population and that the total population is 65.7 million. And they want us to write out the whole number in full. So for 5.5.1, 65.7 million is written as, so it's 65 and then 6 zeros, but the first one would be a 7. So it'll be 65 and then 6 digits. So it's 7, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 0. So that's how you write out 65,700,000 out. So it's this number multiplied by 88%. So you can just put in your calculator that full number times by 88%. Or what you can also do is times it by 88 over 100, but then don't add the percent sign. So 88 over 100 is also how you can write percentage, because 88% per century. But moving on, so if we put that into your calculator, you get that this comes to a number of, and sorry, this isn't in rands, this is in number of people. So it's 57,816,000 people. So that's how many people live on less than $1.25 a day. So that's the answer for that question. Okay, so then moving on to the next question. Just going to erase this quick. It says, if 2.75 million people died in the DRC, determine the number of children who died. So 5.5.2, they have said here that children account for almost 50% of death in the country. So if 2.75 million people died, that means that 50% of them were children. So we take this 2.75, if we don't have to write it out in full now, we can keep it as million, okay? And we need to multiply it by 50% because that's how many children died. So it's multiplied by, again, 50%. Or if you can't find the percent button, it will just be 50 over 100. That's also the same thing as 50%. And then this equals, it'll be 1.38 million. Don't forget to add the million, because that's sort of the units. And that is the final answer. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making these videos possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.